These are some of the best deals I've found Amazon.com, and they won't last long, so make sure you check them out before they're gone. Number 1. DeLonghi EC9255M La Specialista Arte Evo Espresso Machine with Cold Brew embodies elegance and versatility, 27% off. Designed for those who seek both precision and effortless operation, this machine boasts a manual milk frother, empowering you to craft barista-quality lattes and cappuccinos with artistic finesse. Additionally, its cold brew function caters to those who cherish the refreshing allure of chilled coffee beverages. Envision this: the aroma of freshly ground coffee beans wafts through the air, mingling with the anticipation of a perfectly brewed espresso. With the DeLonghi EC9255M La Specialista Arte Evo, this scene can become a daily reality. Its dual boiler system ensures precise temperature control, extracting the richest flavors from your coffee beans. The intuitive control panel allows you to customize your brewing settings, whether you prefer a bold espresso or a delicate lungo. Number 2. Philips EP3241/54 Fully Automatic Espresso Machine 3200 series with LatteGo Milk Frother stands as a testament to convenience and simplicity, 45% off. This machine seamlessly blends ease of use with remarkable performance, featuring a LatteGo milk frother that effortlessly transforms milk into velvety foam, perfect for crafting delectable lattes and cappuccinos. Its intuitive touch display further enhances the user experience, allowing you to navigate a variety of preset coffee drinks with effortless grace. As you reach for the Philips EP3241/54, the anticipation of a perfect cup of coffee fills the air. With a simple touch of the intuitive control panel, you're on your way to enjoying your favorite barista-style beverage. The machine's intelligent brewing system automatically adjusts the settings to deliver the ideal cup of espresso, latte, or cappuccino every time. Number 3. DeLonghi Magnifica Evo with LatteCrema System epitomizes sophistication and versatility, 33% off. This machine caters to discerning coffee connoisseurs who demand both style and functionality. Its LatteCrema system effortlessly produces rich, frothed milk, transforming ordinary coffee creations into masterpieces of indulgence. Additionally, its array of preset coffee drinks caters to a wide spectrum of tastes, ensuring that every cup is tailored to perfection. With its sleek, modern design and intuitive touch display, the machine becomes the centerpiece of the gathering. As you pour steaming cappuccinos and velvety lattes, your guests are captivated by the elegance and artistry of the machine. Please be advised that the discount percentage was updated on November 23, 2023, on Amazon.com. These are the best Black Friday espresso machine deals for 2023 that I've found online. If you're looking for a new espresso machine, this is the best time to buy one. These deals are limited time offers, so don't miss this opportunity to save big on your coffee machine. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more coffee-related videos. And don't forget to check out the links in the description below for these amazing deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.